What if your serene kayaking trip ended in tragedy and murder? In 2020, Jacqueline Davidson drowned during a kayak trip in Queensland. Initially ruled an accident, but police suspected something darker. The prime suspect? Her own husband, former Army Major Graeme Davidson. Authorities allege he killed her for over $1 million in life insurance. After her death, Davidson left Australia, moved to Thailand, and even remarried. He was active in the expat community, seemingly living a new life. But justice is catching. Graeme Davidson has been arrested facing murder and fraud charges, a chilling tale of betrayal.